Hello, Denmark. This is a Scandinavian country. It is the southernmost and the smallest of the Nordic countries. Here we are. It lies to the southwest of Sweden and south of Norway. To the south, it borders Germany. It is a sovereign state with two autonomous constituent countries, the Faroe Islands and Greenland in the North Atlantic Ocean. Here is Greenland, and here is Iceland, and here are the Faroe Islands. It consists of a peninsula, Jutland, an archipelago of 443 named islands. The largest are Zealand and Funen. 74 of these islands are inhabited. The islands are flat, arable land with sandy coasts. They have a temperate climate. The country is flat with a lot of rolling plains. Denmark has a constitutional monarchy. It is a member of the European Union, but it has its own currency, the krone. The capital of Denmark is Copenhagen on Zealand. The main rivers are the Godena, Odense, Skjern, Susa and Vida. The environment. Denmark is ranked 4 out of 180 countries in 2016 in the Global Environmental Performance Index. The Danish government has signed the Climate Change Kyoto Protocol. Industry and exports, pork and pork products, oil and gas technology, shipbuilding, Lego. So the main exports are industrial production, fuel, agricultural products, meat and fish. Denmark is the leading producer of pork. It is the largest exporter of pork products in the EU. The Danes are innovative in the technological sector, or in the technology sector. The Maersk ships are the most energy efficient container ships in the world. Lego comes from Denmark too. The language. Danish is spoken in Denmark. Faroese is spoken in the Faroe Islands. Greenlandic is spoken in Greenland. Near the German border, German is spoken in Denmark. Curiosity. It is possible for a Dane, a Norwegian and a Swede to understand each other. Greenlandic is closely related to the Inuit languages in Canada. Most Danes speak excellent English and German is also spoken. Religion. Here you have the Grundtvig Church with expressionist architecture. Most Danes are members of the Lutheran Church of Denmark. Here is inside a church, and these are church dignitaries. Education. This is a school and this is a school too. This is the classroom. Children attend compulsory education for 10 years from 6 to 16. There are no final examinations. Pupils must be tested when they finish 9th grade, 14 to 15-year-olds, if they want to continue their studies. Pupils can then study at various schools depending on what they are good at. All schools, colleges and universities are free. Healthcare. Denmark has a universal healthcare system paid for by taxes and local governments. Writers. One famous Danish writer is Hans Christian Andersen, who wrote The Ugly Duckling, The Little Mermaid and The Snow Queen. Food. Danish sandwiches are open sandwiches with different food piled on the bread. Here is a Danish sandwich. These are Danish sandwiches. Yum, yum. Traditional food consists of meat, fish and potatoes. Denmark is also known for its Carlsberg and Tuborg lager beers. Here we are. Here is the lagers and here is the fish and meat perhaps, and this is the bread, dark bread. Sports. The national sport is football, but handball is also played. Cycling is also practiced. Denmark has a very good bicycle infrastructure with paths and lanes. Cycling is a common form of transport for the young and for people who live in cities. Other popular sports are golf and tennis. The national dress. Okay, bye-bye.